Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you should position your jack if you're looking to lift up your Ford Expedition. Now, the owner manual, if you happen to have the owner's manual, it tells you where to put your jack if you need to lift up the front of the vehicle or the back of the vehicle. The problem is it doesn't show you where you should position your jack. So we're going to take care of that and show you that in today's video. Let's get into it. So we're at the front of the vehicle now. Now let me show you where that position indicator arrow is on the front of the vehicle. So we're going to go underneath the vehicle, and that's the arrow right here. So you want to position your jack right under there. So this is where your jack would be positioned, right there. And that's the correct position when you're at the front of the vehicle. So again, this is going to, you want to position your jack. Now all along this frame right here is solid metal. So if you want to position your jack here, you could come right here and put some jack stands or put them here if you need to. But again, all along this frame is solid metal, and this is where the indicator arrow is. So this is where you put your jack here. And if you needed to put some jack stands down as well, you could use this point here, or you can come right next to it and put your jack stands right here. But that's the indicator arrow on the front of the vehicle. So we're still on the passenger side of this vehicle. This is the rear door. So if we drop down and go underneath, we see the arrow right here on the frame. So this is where we would put our jack if we need to jack up the back of this vehicle. Right there. That's the arrow. So now we're on the driver's side. This should show you what the arrow looks like on the driver's side. Driver's side front. So if we need to jack it up on the driver's side front, that's going to be your arrow on the frame. Now let's go to the back. So we're in the driver's side. So we're still on the driver's side at the rear of the vehicle. And this is going to be your jack point here if you need to jack up that rear tire on the driver's side. So again, there are 4 sets of arrows, and they're going to be of 1 arrow for each one of your tires on this frame. So I've just showed you where the position indicators were for a jack on a 2003 Expedition. Now I'm going to show you where they are on a 2000 Ford Expedition. You'll see there's still going to be some cutouts there, but the arrow looks a bit different. So let me show you what it looks like on a 2000 Ford Expedition. So here we are at our 2000 Ford Expedition. We're on the driver's side, and let's go down to that frame. And here you see where that position indicator or that arrow is on the front of the vehicle on the driver's side. So that's what it looks like. Looks a bit different than what it looked like on our 2003 Ford Expedition, but the same principles apply. You could put your jack here, and then you could put your jack stand down here a little bit if you need to put a jack stand as well. So right next to it is where you would position it. So there you have it. We just went over the correct positions to place a jack if you need to lift your vehicle for a Ford Expedition. The first vehicle, it was a 2003 Ford Expedition, and the second vehicle was a 2000 Ford Expedition. So those arrows, remember, looked a little different, but they were still on that frame. Whenever you're jacking up your vehicle, remember always to keep safety first and follow the safety precautions that are listed in your owner's manual.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.